Hi friends, welcome to the channel Job Updates with Verma. We give daily job updates as well as interview tips as well as full syllabus of a particular examination. To stay tuned with us, you have to subscribe our channel, and if you really like this video, you have to like this video. So today's video is about Infosys syllabus and Infosys previous year question papers. We will discuss in detail in this video about this because for this particular information someone has commented in my comment section to clear the doubts about the Infosys syllabus. So I will prepare this video for making sure that that topic will covered in this video, as well as if any one of you have the same issue or same questions in your mind, then I will solve it. Okay, so uh, in the last few years, Infosys examination pattern has been changed completely. So in 2021 also their placement papers have lots of change in their pattern. So basically there will be 5 sections. One will be reasoning ability, mathematical ability, verbal ability, pseudocode and puzzle solving. Each of these sections, in reasoning ability 15 questions will be there, mathematical ability 10 questions will be there, verbal ability 20 questions, pseudocode 5 questions and puzzle solving 4 questions. So registered candidate will appear for the Infosys online test on the confirmed date and time using the link and on one-time password shared by the team of Infosys talent acquisition team if you registered for the drive of Infosys. So in these 5 sections, the questions will be adaptive in nature, time duration will be 100 minutes and negative marking is nothing, so no negative marking basically. So detailed course syllabus, so I will share here for the quants, logical reasoning, English verba as well as pseudocode and puzzle. Questions from crypto arithmetic may be asked in logical section. In total around 1 or 2 questions are asked from crypto arithmetic in Infosys placement examination. So you can see Infosys placement papers for freshers. Reasoning ability 15 question will be given as 25-minute. Mathematical questions 10 questions will be there, 35 minutes you have to solve. For verbal ability 20 minutes you will get for 20 questions. For pseudocode you will get 10 minutes for 5 questions, and for puzzle solving 4 questions 10 minutes. So all total 54 questions 100 minutes. Okay, so in this website of Prepinsta you can go through the questions of various campus placements. You can also go through their questions one by one. Here all the syllabuses are given. You can give the you can test your ability here, like for percentage, data interpretation, permutation combination, probability, area, time, speed, time and work, profit and loss, problem on edges, divisibility, number on decimal fraction. By clicking on see more you will be able to see all the other section like series and progression, LCM, HCF. For logical reasoning, you will get these chapters: arrangement, puzzle, syllogism, coding, decoding, number series, crypto arithmetic, clock and calendar, data sufficiency, most logical choice, logical deduction. And for verbal, you will get reading comprehension, sentence correction, sentence selection, sentence completion, parajumble, spotting error, analogy, fill in the blanks, one word substitution, critical reasoning. And for full mock, you will get a chance to give your full mock if you subscribe to their particular package. So you can just go through the sections here. And for pseudocode you will be able to solve few pseudocode here. And for puzzle section also you will be able to solve from this website. So I will give the link in my description box about this website. So Infosys preparation for grade A colleges like NITs, there will be only 2 rounds, written round and HR round. For grade B and grade C college like IP University and Amity University, there will be 3 rounds, written round and technical round and HR interview. So you can also go through the interview experience, like this particular student Sasank Bhariwal. So he is from CSC. he was telling that he was prepared by ERP cell about upcoming drive for Infosys. He contacted Prepinsta regarding the same. I would rather say that don't at first buy the products of Prepinsta. Just go through the syllabus from here, because you will get a detailed information from this website. So you can see the analytics here as well. So I think this website will be helpful for you guys, so that's why I'm just sharing the information with you. So if you just click on each section, let me show you. For quants, if I click on LCM and HCF, then if I click on start, then the free material is also present and also the paid material. So I will suggest at first you will try to solve the free material questions. Then if you think it is helpful to you, then you can just go through the paid materials. So here you will get nearly 10 to 15 questions here, so you will be able to easily solve those and understand your ability, that which type of pattern they follow in Infosys examination. So you will be able to see your accuracy here. So for the each section, as I have mentioned, for each and every chapter there will be one free material portion and one will be for paid material portion. So if you think it's really helpful, you can go through this website, and you just need to click on prepinsta.com. then you will be able to go through the companies, recent companies, and from there you will be able to get the syllabus idea about all the companies, all the campus placements. So I think it is very helpful to you. So if you think so, then hit the subscribe button, keep us motivated. So we will prepare this type of video in future also. Let's stay tuned with us. Thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video with new job updates. Thank you.